Okay, so for ellipse, the standard form of the equation only have one, which is x minus h squared over a squared, and then y minus k squared over b squared equals to 1. So here must be equals to 1 at the right hand side here. So this is our standard form. So from the equation here, what can we see? X can be equals to h. From here, y can be equals to k. So this x equals to h and y equals to k, they can build up a coordinate hk, which is represented by our center. So this is our center. And then we have A, we have B, and then we have another information is C. So in doing ellipse, you must know what is your center, what's your length of A, length of B, and length of C. So we have 4 things here. Center, value A, value B, and value C. So look at our standard form equations here. If our A value, here is A square, right? So after we getting the A value, and after we getting this B value, when A value is greater than B value, our ellipse will be horizontal ellipse. If B greater than A, then our ellipse will be vertically. Okay, so A is referring to the horizontal length. So B is referring to the vertical length because the things under x-axis all is referring kiri kanan. So the value under y-axis all is referring atas bawah. Alright. So bila kita tengok nilai sini lagi besar, yang kiri kanan punya lagi besar daripada atas bawah, so kita akan tahu itu adalah ellipse yang jenis horizontal. So yang kalau menegak tu lagi tinggi, bermaksud nilai B ni akan lagi besar. So what is your A in your ellipse? A adalah distance from your center to the vertex here. Alright, horizontal distance. A from the center to vertex. So this is your vertex. This is your vertex. So meanwhile, B is a vertical distance. When we look at vertical axis, so horizontally, here is yang jenis melintang nilai A, yang jenis menegak nilai B. So untuk vertical yang menegak punya, vertex dia berada di sini. Okay, so we look on our horizontal axis first. Tengok ellipse yang melintang dulu. Center, we know it is HK. So center kepada vertex adalah jarak A. So yang menegak ni adalah jarak B. And then we will have a focal point. So focal point will be inside our ellipse at our major axis here. So center to focal point adalah jarak C. So for center, ABC, you'll have to understand here. A adalah jarak secara melintang, B adalah jarak secara menegak, C adalah jarak daripada center kepada focal point. So what do you have beside this? This is our major axis. So yang pendek ini adalah minor axis. Focal point will be located at major axis. So here will be our focal point. So inside an ellipse, we will have center, we will have focal point, and we will have vertices. So how to find these vertices, focal point? Then we look on here. So since our center is HK, when you want to find the vertex kiri kanan, means our x coordinate will going to add up or minus, tambah ataupun tolak. So kalau anjak ke kanan, dia akan tambah h tambah a. So sini jarak a. So kalau nak vertex ini, h tolak a. So that will be our vertex. From center we can get vertex. And then we can get our focal point. So focal point is jarak c. Therefore, for focal point, it will be h plus c. Untuk yang kiri, kita tolak h tolak c. So, pergi kanan, tambah. Pergi kiri, tolak. So, kiri kanan berubah. Maksudnya, x koordinat akan berubah. Y koordinat kekal sama. Just k only. Alright, then we can find for the length of axis. This major axis, the length will be a plus a. So length of major axis equals to 2a. Meanwhile, for minor axis, it is equal to 2b. So from here, from the equation, we can read out a value, we can read out b value. So how to find c value? C value can be obtained by the a square minus b square. Ambil yang panjang, square, tolak yang pendek square. Because our length, we cannot be negative. Okay, so this is how you get your c. So we look on our vertical ellipse. So we repeat here. Center, it will be hk. So when you want to find your vertices, you are going up and going down. So for vertical ellipse, major axis happen vertically. This is our major axis. And then this is our minor axis. So vertex, focal point, center all happen at major axis. So the length minor axis here secara melintang nilai A. So the length of minor axis 2A. The length of major axis here 2B. To get the vertex, so C from the center, you are going down to get the vertex here, vertices here. So if you're going down, the coordinate will be y minus the length of B. So this is your length of B. This is your length of B. So if you want to find this vertex, it will be H then K plus B. Because you're moving up, coordinate Y akan bertambah. Then if you want to find your focal, you need your C. So C square will be equal to B square minus A square. How will you remember this? Take the longer minus the shorter. So here we will start with B square minus A square. So this C represents the distance between center to the focal point. So to find this focal point, so for this will be H then K minus C, because moving down C you need. So for this focal point, when you're moving up, it will be K plus C. So in calculation, when you're doing ellipse, we must know what's your center, what's your A, what's your B, and what's your C. When you're drawing, you must know where is your focal, what's your center, where's your focal point, where's your vertex, if your ellipse is vertically. If your ellipse horizontally, so where's your C, where's your focal point, and where your vertex. So drawing properties, kita ada 3 titik lah. Alright. So kira-kira kena ada center ABC.